So, welcome back to Vlogstar English Diary. See, how do you pronounce this word? First of all, I want to tell you the pronunciation of this word is a little bit tricky one. And there are basically 3 syllables in this word. And when you pronounce the word, you gotta stress on the middle syllable. I mean on poor sound. And when you pronounce poor, there should be a glottal stop. So listen carefully how I am pronouncing the word, okay? The pronunciation would be important. Important. Stress on a poor sound. Import. There's a glottal stop. Import. Important. 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 Practice it again and again. Important. 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 That's it. Hope you enjoyed the pronunciation. And if you found the video a little bit helpful in improving your pronunciation, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of pronunciation tutorial videos, then subscribe right now. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.